Kia ora, I'm Panos Armaos, Senior Project Engineer at Holmes. I'm currently leading the construction monitoring efforts at the Wellington Town Hall, and previously I was part of the design team. We are well into the construction stage of this project, and a lot of good progress has already taken place. The works involve new foundation, a seismic isolation system, and selective strengthening of the superstructure. The screw piles have already been installed into the ground, and a new raft foundation has been constructed to tie this together.
Now, over the raft foundation, the lead rubber bearing isolators are being installed, and over them a grillage of ground beams will also be installed. Now, in order to achieve that, extensive temporary works have been installed, as you can see, a temporary structure which will be removed before the building is released into its new foundation.
Once the construction of the ground beams is complete, the building will be loaded onto its new foundation, and from that point on, the building will be seismically isolated from ground floor level up. As you can see here, the ground beams are complete and the lead rubber bearings have been installed. Now we're going to be jacking the lead rubber bearings, and we're going to transfer the load of the building down to its new foundation. The building at this stage has been jacked onto its new foundation, the isolation plane has been cut, temporary works have been removed, and it is allowed to float over its isolation plane. This will happen all around the building. Strengthening of the Wellington Town Hall is a challenging and complex operation. For that reason, we work closely with the project management team, the contractor and the consultants in order to deliver this heritage building back to the city of Wellington.